Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install third-party packages or libraries for C and C++ programming in the most easiest way because if you have ever searched in the internet how to install third-party packages, you will see many ways and many videos in YouTube. All of them are good, but the point is you have to download the libraries and manually build them and then set the environment in your Windows and set the settings in your ID and probably not working because the progress is too long. But VCPKG, it's one of the best package managers for C and C++ programming. I think Microsoft published that, and it's just the something just NuGet package manager or the pip for Python or NuGet for C Sharp. And just let's do that. If you can see, if I just type include and curl is a third-party library for C and C++ that you can use HTTP request, post, and get, and okay, whatever. It's just a third-party library that the original compiler don't have it. As you can see, we have the red lines error here because we don't have this library. Let me show you how to install it. Okay, I close the Visual Studio. This method just works for Visual Studio. First, we have to open up Chrome and search for VCPKG, and it's because it's an open source application and it's completely portable. It's on GitHub. So we can just simply download the zip or use the command prompt to clone the packages. I just use let me show you. You can just simply open command prompt and CD wherever you are, your desktop or your D drive or everywhere you want. But I prefer my C drive. If you are using the original command prompt, you can just simply do this command and go back to your C drive. But I'm gonna use a Windows Terminal application which you can download from the Windows Store. It's have an option here. As you can see, you can integrate with the folder you want, and it's just easier than the CD method. As you can see, exactly in C drive. Okay, just type git clone and paste the address. I'm gonna just pause the video because it's take time. As you can see, it's going to be done. And here we have a VCPKG folder and done. Not done. Done. So open the VCPKG folder and just click one of them, no matter which of them. It's begin the download for exe application, which you can run it from the command prompt. As you can see, again open this folder with just this method and type VCPKG. Also, you can just type VCPKG help. Most console application have a help command just like that. Okay, so for install packages, we can just simply type VCPKG space install space the package name. We're gonna install the curl library and it will begin the download, and also you can see the exact command here. To remove the packages, we can just remove command, and for the install packages we can just type install command, vcpkg install and the package name. It will take a time to download the packages, and it will automatically build the packages and libraries. Probably your system will get a little unstable. If you have ever tried the manual way, it will be unstable too, because building take much of most of the power of the CPU. It's completely normal. Not just the libraries. If you just some program a application and click the build button, your system will get unstable. Okay, whatever. We have to just wait for the download. I'm gonna pause the video because everything will be automatically done, and I'm gonna show you the result. Meanwhile, let me show you something in VCPKG original website. As you know, it's a package manager, and it's also right here. If you want to download a package and install it with VCPKG, VCPKG should list it in their server. You can just simply go to vcpkg.io and browse the packages. If you see the package you want, then you can just simply install it with VCPKG. If you didn't see the package you want, you have to manually install it. And I said in the first of the video, at the start of the video, it's a little hard. I didn't even do that correctly once. But most of the popular and important packages are listed here, and a lot. Also, you can search, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video again and wait for the result. Alright, the installation and download progress has been done, but if we open the Visual Studio right now, the Visual Studio won't recognize the curl package that we have downloaded. Why? Because there is a command that we have to use to fix this problem. Let me just open VCPKG help, and there is a command here. Okay, VCPKG integrate install. Just let me just copy it and paste it here. And admin store access and done. Okay. But again, it won't work because if we go to a original website for VCPKG and search for curl, and as you can see, we have a curl library and a curl pp, and we need the lead curl, but we just installed the curl and it won't work. The point is, I will suggest you, if you want to install a package, don't just type a vcpkg install space the package name. First, search for packages and enter the exact name. In my case, we need both of them. Maybe just curl pp is enough for something, but if you want to complete library, we have to install the both of them. Okay, so I will just copy the name and go here, type vcpkg install curl pp, and just like before, just stop and wait for installation. I will pause the video and again show you the result. Okay, the installation has been done. We just again type vcpkg integrate install and done. And for some libraries, this is not enough. And just to being sure, I have to tell you, there is two command that it's good to use, because maybe Visual Studio won't recognize your library. Just type vcpkg install, and then space the package name you want if you are using curl, and type this. for both x86 and 64. Okay, I have already installed them. I have paused the video and test them. And again, this command VCPKG integrate install. Okay, now if I open Visual Studio and open a project and just type include curl, you have see the folder and curl.h. And done, we have just installed and built the curl library in the most easiest way possible. And don't forget to use this command because this and this, after the installation has been completed, just try this to just be sure that your library will be recognized.